real Sinister. The real Sinister has been hidden in the darkness. It is not monsters, or predators, or scary clowns, but the only thing in the darkness is the spread of spikes that could also bring birth to the black dust and a creepy threat to the present, past, and future. But who could that being awakening from the black dimension zone? Let's go and find out what happens.
Show yourself to them.
Finally, Peachy. Your son is back from the Black Dimension Zone. After 6,000 years, and a bit turned the Hero Kingdom into darkness. And now, the real Sinister begins. I have stolen the crystal super chip from the spiral of you and from your realm.
No, you can't do that. Ow, 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 ow.
And if there's a boy named Sherman the boy in the present day, with the skull of yours I will jump into the portal, and time travel myself into the present. You will be nothing.
Huh. So what? A prophecy of Sherman? You may not bring apocalypse to the present.
And now, finally time travel and reveal myself to the human dimension.
Who will be the hero then to vanish the spread of spikes and defeat Cycrus?